So, someone in Forest Grove, my hometown, recorded this really odd video. And it's a video of a very unnatural sound that they heard coming behind their house. And I'm not sure who the original person was that recorded it. But from what I've heard, they live somewhere near the forestry center. And they've recorded this very strange sound in the middle of the night. I don't know what it is. I have no idea. I have no theories. One thing I do know, it's probably not a sound that should be that loud played in the middle of the night. I don't know if it's aliens or some government conspiracy, but it's definitely a strange sound. And since this video kept being posted and then removed, I decided that I would grab a copy of it and post it here, and hopefully no government agents kick in my door and ask me to remove it, because it's very interesting. Anyway, I'll play it for you and I'll see what you think here. Okay, so that's totally crazy, right? I mean, it could be that somebody was just standing off to the side somewhere in the distance playing some strange whistle or something. But it's a very strange sound, and it seems like if they have other neighbors in the area, I mean, I have no idea where this person's house is at, but it seems like maybe other neighbors would have heard it, recorded it, and played the sound. I mean, hopefully we figure out what this sound is and what's going on. I mean, it could be an elaborate prank or a hoax. If so, I guess I'm promoting it. I'm cool with that. But it could be something strange, and it could be something that has a perfectly valid explanation. Either way, I thought I'd share it here. Feel free to share this video with anyone you want until the men in black come in and kick in my door and tell me to take it down. Anyway, I thought I'd share that with everybody. Thanks, and have a great day.